This laptop is absolutely insane because it has not one, but two OLED screens, a removable keyboard, which is RGB of course. This is the ROG Zephyrus Duo, and it even has a kickstand here. So here you can have the kickstand on. We're still using this keyboard even though it's not attached anymore. You can even flip this thing backwards. So I'm gonna close the kickstand and flip the screen. So you could use it like this and have someone else looking at the back, like you could be presenting and reading a script on your side, which I think is pretty cool. And then you can also have the monitors sit vertically like this as well. This laptop truly does it all. I used to pack so much gear to work while traveling, a whole mini PC, a portable monitor, a keyboard, a mouse, a card reader, and a whole bunch of cables. But this year, all of that got replaced by one laptop. ASUS sent me their ROG Zephyrus Duo 2026, so I could test it on my trip to Taiwan for Computex, and honestly, it might be the most useful form factor I've ever used. And it's still small enough to fit in my backpack. So they actually sent it to me about a month before my actual trip so I could get it set up. So let's first go through the unboxing, and then I'll show you how I actually used it on my trip. I hope that was okay. This box is the actual laptop, very sleek. All right, the actual laptop. Okay, so from the side, it does look a little thick because there's literally two screens and a magnetic keyboard. All right, let's turn it on for the first time. So this was also in the box with the laptop. I'm pretty sure this is just the charger. Oh yeah, it is just the huge brick, by the way. Ever since I first saw Intel's Honeycomb Glacier reference design back in 2019, with the second smaller screen on a laptop, I knew I wanted one because why did no one think of this until now, you guys? And prior to this, ASUS also had their ZenBook Duo, which had a smaller, basically half-size screen on the bottom, which I do think was a great idea. But now with the Zephyrus Duo, they've upgraded this to two full-sized OLED screens with the full power of a powerful gaming PC behind it. This is freaking insane. So my unit actually has an RTX 5090 and it's powered by an Intel Core Ultra 9 CPU with 32 gigabytes of RAM. And there are actually two M.2 SSD slots. So there's one that's currently occupied by a 1 terabyte PCIe Gen 5 SSD, and then you can add another one, although that second slot can only support up to PCIe Gen 4. And because it's ASUS, of course, this wireless keyboard is RGB, so you can change the lighting and stuff. And then also, there's lighting on the back. It's called the slash lighting, which is on a lot of the ASUS Zephyrus laptops. A little bit more about that keyboard. So the keyboard is actually wireless and it just lifts off. It connects magnetically and it does charge while it's connected, but if you do need some extra juice or you're using it wirelessly, there is a USB-C on the side of the keyboard so you can charge it separately. And then there's also a little switch so you can lock it in case you don't want to be using the keyboard and you don't want to accidentally press any keys. Now let's talk about the displays. So there are two identical 3K OLED ROG Nebula HDR displays. These are 16:10 aspect ratio screens with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and they're both touchscreens with stylus support. And y'all, these are the most beautiful OLED panels ever. And for the I/O, so there's one 3.5mm audio jack, one HDMI port, two USB 3.2 Type A ports, two Thunderbolt 4 ports with support for DisplayPort and power delivery, and one SD card reader. That SD card reader and audio jack are super clutch for editing. And even though you already have those two beautiful OLED screens, the fact that there's an HDMI and you can use DisplayPort over USB-C is huge because then you could connect a third or fourth monitor. You guys, this laptop was so clutch on my trip. Now, I personally prefer smaller laptops, so I'm really glad that this isn't a chonky, like 18-incher. It still fit in my backpack, which was perfect for plane rides, so I could still keep it under my seat and not have to like stow it away in the top. It could also still comfortably fit on my tray table, even when it's like fully expanded. Although when you are using it vertically, you have to be really careful about positioning it so that it doesn't get wrecked when the person in front of you reclines their seat. And honestly, the battery life was pretty good. There weren't any situations where I like fully ran out of battery. Although if you're running both OLED screens at like max brightness for a long time, it definitely is going to die faster than if you just have the keyboard on and you're only using that one screen. But you can use, there's like silent mode, which will make your battery life last a lot longer. The SD card reader was also super clutch because I could just dump my files straight out of the camera versus needing to carry around another dongle. And of course, editing was such a dream on this laptop. I feel like normally editing on a laptop feels like running in a dream where like you can't fully do everything as fast as you need to because you're locked to that one tiny screen. But the fact that you can use both screens and pop off the keyboard made things so much easier and more intuitive. Also, since I primarily edit short form video, I actually really liked using it in the vertical mode, so using it kind of like a book. And then having the video play on one full screen with the timeline and everything else on the other screen made things so much easier. It was also really great for doodling. If you have the proper stylus, you can actually draw like pretty well on this, although I'm not like a professional artist. It served my purposes very well. Anyways, that's just the work side of things. For gaming, of course, this laptop is absolutely a beast. I personally love that I can have a game running on one screen and then have something else running on the other screen, whether it's a YouTube video, Discord, or even guides. So this is super useful for like lineups in CS or TFT comps if you're super sweaty. I could honestly see this being super useful for streamers too. So instead of having to carry around a bunch of gear and random stuff for your stream while you're traveling, you could easily run your game on one screen and then monitor chat on the other screen. This laptop is more than capable of handling that. And honestly, the webcam is pretty good, but if you're really particular about wanting things a certain way, there are so many ports you can easily just connect an actual camera or like a Osmo Pocket to the USB port. This is now my main laptop that I use for traveling and even just working around the house when I don't want to be locked to my main setup. And I genuinely could not have put out all my Computex content without this because y'all, I made so many videos for Computex and it just would not have been possible if I didn't have this laptop. Like I was able to work so much faster. So I really appreciate ASUS for letting me check this out. Huge shout out to ASUS for sponsoring this video and for letting me check out this absolutely insane laptop. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have any other questions or anything you want me to test on this. And as always, follow for more aesthetic tech reviews.